Cleaning out the Mach 1 today. It's looking pretty good. I had some floor pan work. I'll clean up some of the welds. It's okay. It's got a mound of parts. New, old. Seats need recovered. No biggie. Might have to purchase some door panels. I gotta clean them up and see. Kind of looks like it. But it has a mountain of parts. Some of these brake boxes have old, some of them have new. It's like they weren't finished. I kind of knew that. There's a new power steering pump along with the old. Gotta change the brackets. All kinds of miscellaneous items. New brake lines pre-bent, battery box, fender aprons, hood latch, ductwork for the dash, all the emission stuff under the hood stuff. This is the new ram air box. I don't know if we can see that. Yep. Brand new ram air box. Dynacorn. Back interior panels, balance, wing, new radiator. Yeah, lots of stuff. Tail lights. Yeah, I got to go through it all. Figure out what I need to order for what steps I'm going to do it in. I believe I am going to start with the front end. Just go through it, wipe it down, clean it up, stuff like that. Take it off, blast it, paint it, put it back original the best I can. Paint all this. Yeah, make it look nice before I start putting it back together. Go through all the brakes. I'll do all the brakes probably first also. Check out that wiring real good. I need to go to a couple car shows that has these and take pictures of under the hood just to get an idea. It should be pretty fun to do. Stuff like this I'll just hit with a brush to knock down the loose. It's undercoating, I'm not going to mess with it. But I will, I'll clean this up, paint it up nice and chassis black. Need a new windshield, I can see. That's okay. Wiper arms, transmission stuff's all good. I'll test that. Heck yeah. It's looking good. Looking real good. Looks like it's got a aftermarket steering wheel, or maybe, yeah, looks like a Grant. The Cobra emblem. Dash don't look that bad. I gotta get that remounted. No big deal. Headliner's got a rip. 2 of them. So that's gonna need to be redone. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'll get this all cleaned up and painted. That's the good stuff. That's stuff I like to do. See part of the headliner right here. So let's go on back to the trunk. Trunk looks pretty good. Nice and spacious. Yeah, that's my hand. Nice and spacious. Ain't like the old Galaxy, I'll tell you that. I'll clean this all out. Wipe it down, maybe shoot it with some chassis black, just to freshen it up. But then I've got a mountain of parts to go through to inventory. There's the AC pump, that's good. It's got a nice looking carburetor. Back over here. Got a brand new set of headers. I really don't know if I'm gonna put the headers on because I do like the manifolds that are on the engine. I don't know how hot rodish this car is gonna go. We'll see. We will see. All right. Step 2. That was step 2, getting it cleaned out. Step 1 was bringing it home. Step 2, cleaning it out. Step 3 is inventorying everything, make a list of what I need. Step 4 will be deciding my plan of attack on where to start, what to do. Maverick's got to get finished first. But I can work on both. But that one's first and foremost. All right, stay tuned. 72 Mach 1 build, Rockin' Ron Garage.